Ladies and gentlemen, have you heard of the new Chevrolet Corvette Z06? That's right, we have many surprises coming our way next year. Lucky for you, you've stumbled upon a video that is going to tell you all about it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. The Corvette Z06 is a new model by Chevrolet with a starting price of $109,295. This mid-engine automobile started production in the summer of 2022, which is why it will be launched as Chevrolet's 2023 model. Chevrolet also claims that the 2023 Z06 is going to be marked as the most legendary Corvette Z06 yet. I don't know about you, but that just made me curious. Legendary how? Now hold on a second, I'll get into the hows and whys later. Before anything else, let's dive into a quick introduction to this new model. Like its long line of predecessors, this model will embody the same hardcore and track-focused feature of the standard Vette. Of course, a few innovations would have to be made. This model will have a bolder sense of style and more advanced performance-based features. It also has a unique feature that sets it apart from other models. Are you ready to hear what it is? Well, the engine of this spectacular car is located behind the driver, making it significantly innovative. Impressive, right? It is more expansive, has a more prominent air intake, and holds unique rear wings compared to the regular Corvette Stingray. In addition, this car's naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8 makes it easy to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. It also has a one-of-a-kind engine that sounds a tad bit familiar. Why is that, you ask? Well, its engine sounds like the other supercars it's trying to dethrone. This is because it produces 670 horsepower, which is why it sounds so much like a Ferrari. What makes this car more impressive are its sticky tires and powerful brakes. According to Car and Driver, these features help it corner harder and stop shorter than the regular Vette. They further state that Chevrolet worked on strengthening the 2023 Z06 structure to ensure that its performance is prominent on the racetrack. And to add a cherry on top of that, the brand offers an optional Z07 Package, which, if you chose to purchase, would magnify the car's aerodynamic elements. It would also further upgrade its tires and brakes and would reduce its weight. How cool is that? Now, let's take a look at the interior of this bad boy. As you can see, the inside of the automobile screams greatness. Just take a look at those extensive features. This model has a square-shaped steering wheel along with magnificent and ambitious features. One of these features is the head-up display. It has a digital gauge cluster. And guess what? Wireless phone charging is also available in this car. The dashboard is also multi-layered and it holds an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Sounds intriguing, right? This system includes Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. I tell you, this car is so sleek, I wouldn't mind living in it. The seats of the Z06 are also heated and ventilated. I mean, what more could you possibly ask for? It also holds a PDR or a performance data recorder. This feature allows the passengers to record a video of everything. If you're wondering what that means, well, if you're the lucky person driving this automobile, then the car can record your expeditions with it. From your simple trips around the city to your extravagant adventures on the tracks. There's more. The car offers safety assistance for drivers, which includes features such as standard rear parking sensors, a blind spot monitor, a rear cross-traffic alert, and a multi-view camera system. Its speakers are Bose stereos and are expected to be a standard 10-speaker system with an optional 14-speaker setup. There is even a feature that can keep track of your valet's activities with the car when you leave it with them. Of course, that doesn't automatically mean that your valet cannot be trusted. This setting is just for assurance.
And if you're wondering about the space, well, the Z06's rear trunk embodies that.
The passengers can place up to 2 sets of golf clubs in this car's rear trunk. 2. Now, that's impressive. And that's it for the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Which one of its features piqued your interest the most? My personal favorites were the heated seats. What about you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, and since you're already here, you might as well subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more. We will see you in the next one.